Alright, today we're checking out the TurbX GlowStorm 7-in-1 wireless game controller set. And right away, this feels like something built for gamers who want flexibility without sacrificing style. Inside the box, you're getting a solid bundle to get started immediately. There's a quick start guide to walk you through setup, a pair of finger sleeves for better control during longer sessions, a USB cable for wired connectivity, a wireless dongle, and a phone holder clamp that attaches directly to the controller. It's a complete package that clearly focuses on convenience across different devices. Now, taking a closer look at the controller itself, this is where things get interesting. The transparent shell design gives it that modern, techie aesthetic, and the built-in RGB lighting wraps around the controller in a way that actually stands out. It's not just for looks either. You do get some level of control over the lighting, which adds a bit of personalization. In terms of build quality, it feels surprisingly solid. There's a nice weight to it that gives confidence during gameplay, and it doesn't come off as cheap or flimsy. The buttons have a satisfying click, and the joysticks offer a good level of resistance, which is important for both casual and competitive gaming. One of the biggest strengths here is versatility. You can connect this controller in multiple ways, wired via USB through the included wireless dongle, or via Bluetooth for a fully wireless experience. It works across a wide range of platforms, including PC, Mac, smartphones, PlayStation, and even the Nintendo Switch. That kind of compatibility makes it a strong option if you're gaming across different systems. The included phone clamp is a nice touch as well, turning this into a mobile gaming setup without needing extra accessories. On top of that, features like haptic feedback and burst mode add more depth to the overall experience, though you'll want to check the manual to fully explore those options. Overall, the TurbX GlowStorm delivers a well-rounded experience with a strong mix of design, performance, and multi-device support, making it a compelling pick for gamers looking for one controller that can do it all. That's it for today. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Till then, peace.